Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 2. I think today we're going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration of what Docker service is compared to what just a regular Docker container looks like. A Docker service basically it describes a bunch of services, and you could just have a single service within YAML file. So I'm going to demonstrate that. I don't want that to sound too confusing. Let's go ahead and take a look. What we're going to do is we're actually going to run a vaultwarden instance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a vaultwarden.yaml file. So let's go ahead and write our YAML file. I've already done this before, so let's cover this. What this does is it describes the services. We're only going to have vaultwarden as our service. We're going to pull from vaultwarden server and give it a name. We're going to say restart always. Right now we're just going to deploy a single replica, and then we're going to bind here the public port 8000 to the port 80, because that's the service port that vaultwarden runs on. And then we're going to create a volume, bind that to /data, scribe that here. Let's go ahead and now deploy this. So to do that, you're going to just do docker stack deploy. And again, I always recommend doing a stack deploy for just so, like I said in that first episode, where the manager will kind of round robin. That's what will happen here. And then you give it the YAML file. So it's docker stack deploy, tac-c, vaultwarden.yaml, and then the name that you want it to have, that service. Press enter, and now you'll see that it's now gone ahead and created automatically the network and the service. And now if you list your services, you can see that it's starting up. So we'll wait for this to get started. It's replicating still. What's nice about having manager here, despite where this gets placed once it's actually started, you can actually do docker service ps, just like you would list the running services on a regular thing, but you give it the service name, and it'll tell you where it's actually running. And right now it's running on Docker node 1. My Docker manager is E8. Node 1 is 179 and node 2 is 180. So we do have like a 3-node cluster, if you will. So what's nice though is I don't have to know where this is located. I just need to know the manager's IP address. So let me open up an incognito window so you can see this. But if I go to 192.168.1.178 port 8000, you'll see that just like that, we have a working vaultwarden that's running on node 1, but I'm able to get to it through my manager. So kind of cool. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can send me a message, and I can do my best to help you out. Okay, thanks.